it. Now we hold. And color.
Like, is there zooms? Or is it automatic?
There you go. Well, or hit them. Go ahead. No.
Those would be the best shot. So whether it's like.
Oh!
Mommy's just going to eat that one when you're done. Okay, color. No. No, you already cracked that one. You might actually get eggshell in there. Ready? Let's color. No, watch.
After this, you gotta get a picture of the cracked egg.
I was thinking that too.
No.
He'll be cute tomorrow when we smash him.
Yeah. He'll be good at that part. Color. Yeah. No.
Want to get a picture of your egg, Maddie?